All right, welcome. So here's another version of a rain catchment system we've installed recently. The beauty of this system is it allows the irrigation system to draw water either from the rain tank or from the municipal water supply. So what's happening here is we have these series of downspouts collecting the water, going through the filter into the tank. From the tank, it gets pumped out through a pump at the bottom and then into our equipment wall right here. So the beauty of this system is it allows for a lot of functionality. It can choose between taking water from the city and from the tank. It has this really awesome controller here which can sense how much water is inside, and depending what the sensor tells it can dictate where it's going to draw the water from. When there is water in the tank, this sensor will send a message to our relay pump and draw water from the tank and then send it through our system of pipes. There's also the added feature of having a pressure gauge, so you know how much pressure is inside the tank. Also has a water flow meter, has a backflow preventer, which helps to reduce the chance of there ever being any cross-contamination with the water in the municipal water supply. You also have your filter flush right here. These are all controls to turn the water on and off when you're servicing the system. We also have our flushes for cleaning out any particulate, any debris that gets in the tank. And we also have our pump failure switch. And these are also the valve controls that allow the controller to talk to the system, letting it know which way the water is going to be pumped. An interesting part about the system is it was designed to allow the homeowner to be able to pump the water into the house for toilet flushing and laundry purposes. And to achieve that goal, it's important to have a way of filtering any particulate that might get in the system before that happens. The cleaner the water comes in, the cleaner it will be going into the house. And before it can leave the pump to go into the house, it will go through a series of UVs, filters, carbon filters, and micron filters. So stay tuned for phase 2 of the project.